What if the universe has a secret frequency, one that's been called the miracle tone, the love frequency, and yes, the money frequency, and most people go their entire lives never even knowing it exists? Welcome. I want to talk to you today about something that changed the way I think about abundance, about money, and about the invisible field of energy that surrounds every single choice you make. We're talking about 528 hertz, and specifically, why so many teachers, healers, and manifestation practitioners call it the 528 hertz money frequency. Here's the problem most people run into: they work hard, they visualize, they say their affirmations, but they still feel blocked, like there's a glass ceiling between them and the financial life they know they deserve. And what if that ceiling isn't made of circumstance or bad luck? What if it's made of frequency? What if your energy is simply vibrating below the level where money flows naturally? That's where 528 hertz comes in. This is the first thing you need to understand. 528 hertz is a solfeggio frequency, an ancient tonal pattern that researchers and sound healers associate with transformation, DNA repair, and deep cellular resonance. It sits right in the heart of what scientists call the miracle frequency. And when you align your personal energy field with this tone, something begins to shift, not metaphorically, energetically. The 528 Hertz abundance meditation tradition exists precisely because this frequency seems to dissolve the internal static, the fear, the scarcity, the old inherited stories about money, and replaces it with clarity, openness, and receptivity. Pause. The second thing you need to understand is this: money is not just paper or numbers on a screen. Money is energy in motion, and like all energy, it responds to frequency. When you use 528 hertz binaural beats for wealth, what you're really doing is training your nervous system to relax out of scarcity and into abundance. You're reprogramming the subconscious patterns that say money is hard or I'm not enough, and you're replacing them with a vibrational signal that says I am open, I am worthy, and I receive. That's how to attract money with 528 hertz, not through magic, through resonance. The third key is consistency. One session won't rewire decades of conditioning, but 10 minutes every morning, that changes everything. People who want to manifest money fast with frequencies often look for a shortcut, and I understand that impulse. But the real miracle happens in the daily practice, in showing up for yourself, in choosing every single morning to tune your inner instrument before the world gets loud. So here is your daily ritual. Starting tomorrow morning, before you check your phone, before the noise begins, put on 528 hertz binaural beats, or a miracle frequency 528 hertz wealth track. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart and one on your stomach. Take 3 slow, deep breaths, and with each exhale, release one word: fear, lack, doubt. Then silently or out loud, repeat this: I am aligned with the frequency of abundance. Money flows to me easily and joyfully. I am open to receive. Stay in that space for 10 minutes. Let the sound do its work. Let your body soften. Let your mind quiet. This is not wasted time. This is the most important investment you will make all day. Pause. You were not born into scarcity. You were born into a universe of infinite supply. The frequency was always there. You just needed someone to point you toward it. Begin tomorrow. Stay consistent and watch what starts to move. I'm Jonas Charles, and this is the Abundance Frequency. If this resonated with you, subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.